Hi there, let's learn subject-verb agreement with 50 fun and engaging sentences. Let's click that subscribe button and begin. The playful kitten always dash with its toy. Jump, jumping, jumps or jumped. Jumps. My big red balloon dash high in the sky. Float, floated, floating, floats. Floats. The friendly dogs dash their tails when they see me. Wags, wag, wagged, wagging. Wag. One shiny star dash brightly at night. Twinkle, twinkles, twinkling, twinkled. Twinkles. Many colorful flowers dash in the garden. Grow, grows, growing, grew. Grow. The little bird dash a sweet song. Sing, sings, singing, sang. Sings. My friends and I dash games together. Play, plays, playing, played. Play. A big yellow bus dash down the street. Drive, drives, driving, drove. Drives. The happy children dash in the park. Laugh, laughs, laughing, laughed. Laugh. My pet fish dash in its bowl. Swim, swims, swimming, swam. Swims. The clouds dash across the sky. Move, moves, moving, moved. Move. A tasty apple dash good. Taste, tastes, tasting, tasted. Tests. We dash stories before bedtime. Read, reads, reading, read. Read. The sun dash in the morning. Rise, rises, rising, rose. Rises. Many birds dash in the trees. Leave, lives, living, lived. Live. My little brother dash his toys. Like, likes, liking, liked. Likes. The big waves dash on the beach. Crash, crashes, crashing, crashed. Crash. A cool breeze dash through the trees. Blow, blows, blowing, blew. Blows. We always dash our hands before eating. Wash, washes, washing, washed, wash. The clock dash the time. Tell, tells, telling, told. Tells. Those squirrels dash nuts. Collect, collects, collecting, collected. Collect. My mom dash delicious cookies. Bake, bakes, baking, baked, bakes. The stars dash at night. Shine, shines, shining, shined. Shine. A loud train dash by. Go, goes, going, went. Goes. We dash to school every day. Walk, walks, walking, walked. Walk. The cat dash on the sofa. Sleep, sleeps, sleeping, slept. Sleeps. My dad dash funny jokes. Tell, tells, telling, told. Tells. The leaves dash in the wind. Flutter, flutters, fluttering, fluttered. Flutter. A small mouse dash quickly. Run, runs, running, ran. Runs. We dash our teeth twice a day. Brush, brushes, brushing, brushed. Brush. The river dash through the valley. Flow, flows, flowing, flowed. Flows. My sister dash pretty pictures. Draw, draws, drawing, drew. Draws. The bees dash honey. Make, makes, making, made. Make. A loud siren dash in the distance. Sound, sounds, sounding, sounded. Sounds. We dash our homework after school. Do, does, doing, did. Do. The train dash at the station. Arrive, arrives, arriving, arrived. Arrives. My friends dash to the park on Saturdays. Go, goes, going, went. Go. The dog dash when it sees a squirrel. Bark, barks, barking, barked. Barks. We dash pizza on Friday nights. Eat, eats, eating, ate. Eat. The airplane dash in the sky. Fly, flies, flying, flew. Flies. My parents dash me stories. Tell, tells, telling, told. Tell. The rain dash on the roof. Fall, falls, falling, fell. False. We dash to music in the car. Listen, listens, listening, listened. Listen. The moon dash at night. Shine, shines, shining, shined. Shines. My classmates dash together. Study, studies, studying, studied. study. The wind dash through the trees. Blow, blows, blowing, blew. Blows. We dash our toys after playing. Clean, cleans, cleaning, cleaned. Clean. The flower dash in the sun. Grow, grows, growing, grew. Grows. My friends and I dash games together after school. Play, plays, playing, played. Play. The alarm clock dash in the morning. Ring, rings, ringing, rang. Rings. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, do like and subscribe to our channel and click the video on your screen. Thank you. See you in our next video.